Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the Piers Team, out here with another update on our project in Liberty, Missouri. We've finally gotten all the concrete broken up where we're going to be installing our 7 king piers. As you know from our first video, we have a king pier 1 in each of the outside corners of the backside of this house, and then we have our third king pier 1 right in here. These two will be king pier 2s, and then these will be king pier 2s, so 7 in total. Now that everything's gotten broken up, really thick concrete, almost a foot thick in some places, so that was a big portion of the first couple days of the project. But now we're digging. We're almost to depth on our first king pier 1. And then once we're down that 49 inches, we're going to have to go about 2.5 feet horizontally underneath to have enough space to get our king pier installed. As you know, on our king pier 1 holes, we'll dig 49 inches below the bottom of the footing. And at that point, we will then pour 3 feet of high-strength concrete reinforced with fiber mesh. That just provides the most structural stability platform to push our pier off of once that's cured. And then once that pier is installed, we'll encase that with concrete also. All these, when we do that second pour of concrete, or in the case of the king pier 2s, the first pour of concrete for those, we're going to pour that back up to replace the section of concrete that we had initially removed in order to do the excavation. So we'll have quite a bit of dirt work to do around the house, make the yard look nice and neat. But right now we're just in the process of getting some of these holes started, so we should be able to have a lot of the digging done by the beginning of next week, first half of next week, and then should just take a day or two to get the concrete and the piers installed. So stay tuned for more updates. You'll be able to find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. We really appreciate that. You'll be able to see throughout the project history of not only this project, but all of our other current and past projects. So we'd really appreciate that if you could take a look. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.